See?
Hi!
This is Tari. If you're new here, we have videos that we filmed. I'll leave them in the cards. But if you're an oldie, you know her, my friend. I was just about starting this vlog and then she came to the window. So welcome back to another vlog. Hey, my car. Oh, sorry. So welcome back to another vlog, guys. It's dark already and it's the 1st of January 2021. Happy New Year! So Tari is hosting, or she's having barbecue this evening, and I just got here actually. So I want to enter. I was about starting the vlog, then I saw, guys, before I enter, and let me play this song for you people. I've been hearing this song everywhere, but I never knew that it was Malay that sang it. When I found out, because I was listening to top 100 hits on iTunes, Apple Music actually. So I just saw it. I've been looking for it. I've been googling the lyrics, but it keeps giving me different types of songs until today. Oh my baby,
I don't understand.
oh my baby,
The way you move your body to the rhythm of that sound.
I wanna love you, love you.
Don't love you down, down.
I wanna
Drive you.
before I get copyrights. But yeah, it's a jam, guys. It's called My Bebe by Omale. I love that guy so much. I love him. He's fast becoming one of my favorite artists right now, like my new school favorite artist, Nigerian artist actually. So let me be going inside now. I just have on a t-shirt, shorts and sandals. You guys will see it when I get there. I'm so hungry. I've not eaten all day, so I'm coming here to eat. That's the first thing. That was my friend's house, so there's no for me. I'll see you guys inside.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunnat ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. Och det jag lägger av min tid och jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda dig baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig.
I came inside because I was so hot. The weather has been so humid lately. I had to just come inside. You guys see the very cute orchid my friend made. She actually makes it for sale, so if you're interested, let me show you. It's so pretty. So cute, so beautiful. So if you want it, I'll leave her business handle on the screen and you can send her a DM. She does in different sizes, so if you want 1 stem, 2 stems, 8 stems of orchids, different colors. She has pink, I think I've seen nude color, I've seen this white. She does a lot. So when I leave her handle, orchids at all, I think I'll leave it on the screen. Hi Sophie. Aww. Hi Mama. Aww. So adorable. This is how Sean was before. Sean, I have a dog. But he's old now. He's about 8 years.
8 years in dog times. About 8 years.
In human time, I know, right? So
Because
you
he'll be
want to
very big, but it's only 8 years old.
old, I know. But in dog age, that's a lot. Hi, Mama.
Times 10.
Hey. Whose dog is it? Did you give her a bath? Damola went like, did you bath her? Sophie, is it by force? Yeah.
In the morning.
In the morning.
And she has been.
She really wants to kiss me.
She's a dog.
Bye. She put on the ground. You have not potty trained her.
Is it my room? Yes.
You did not potty train. You put my
I
phone.
have a dog.
You do? What? Big one.
A big one.
Okay, what's his name?
Rex.
Rex. Oh, nice.
He's 2 years old. It's very big.
Oh, really? My dog is like this, so he's a fluffy dog. And he's 3 years. That means he will grow very big.
Rex is 6 months old and 4 months old.
Rex is 2 years old.
Two.
But what I do with my phone?
This making two.
What I do with my phone?
And it's big.
Careful. Sorry. Damola. Sorry. Can I have my phone, please? Can I have my phone? Thank you.
Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker åh vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaks i tid, göra om allt igen.
Hey guys, good morning. Happy Sunday. My mother is making me laugh. So today, what's today's date? 4th, yeah? No, 3rd of January. We did not go to church, but we attended mass online. So I wanted to show you guys this thing. I want to make Sunday food for my mom and I got this thing. This is my first time trying it. Brown rice noodles. Apparently it has no GM ingredients, it has low sodium, it has no cholesterol, it has low fat, high in fiber, natural brown rice, suitable for vegetarians and gluten free. You guys, I got this yesterday from one store in D-Line that they sell imported things. I want to try it out now. I've already cut my vegetables, I have cut my chicken franks, and I'm just going to make it. I hope this one will be enough for both of us because your girl is hungry and this thing looks like what will not even hold you, but let me just try it. It looks promising.
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends, I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do, guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends, I ain't got no love to spare for.
I'm done making it and it looks so good. I've not tasted it, but I know it's a tasty yum. I thought it was going to be small like I mentioned earlier. I'm like, I hope it will be enough for my mom and I, but you guys, you saw how full the frying pan was, so we're going to eat it for lunch and still maybe have it for breakfast tomorrow. Momsy doesn't eat much and this is the little I took, at least for starters. All because I made it for. It's amazing.
I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do, guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the.
Hey guys, mommy, come close. Good afternoon. So I finished eating. Mom said I was eating. Mom, did you enjoy that food? That noodles.
Beautiful food.
Very nice.
Very nice, very light.
Yeah, very light actually.
Yeah, I finished
very
my
light.
portion, yet I didn't feel
As if you ate anything.
Something, yeah.
So we're in what's the name? Next Cash and Carry car park. Want to enter Next Cash and Carry supermarket. Want to buy blender. The blender at home just packed up, and we came to buy a new one. Life. We'll see you guys later. All right. Want me show them your face? They've not seen you.
Hey,
Say happy New Year.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Bye. Oh guys, we're back and this is the blender we finally picked up. After so much reviews from the attendant there, he said this will blend beans, it's not breakable. What else? It's made with 100% I mean copper motor, and it's 3 liters, I think, I mean 2 liters. So we got this for 33,900. He said it's very good, very good. There are cheaper options there, but Mom said we should go for this one. Durability over price any day, anytime for her. So this is what we went with. And then we bought Lassian water. I'll be looking for this Lassian water, this 75cl, everywhere in Port Harcourt. But it's been sold out in so many stores. We finally saw it at next supermarket and we bought 3 packs. Okay? So guys, that's it. I want to just pack these things from the car now and go and chill. My mother has left me and gone inside. This woman. But yeah, let me just take them inside and chill. I'll talk to you later. Bye.